Hi kids, happy week 13. Your opener for today is a two truths and one lie, and each of these icons represents an amount. So here the controller represents 2, the handheld represents 3, the gem represents 4, and this token represents 5. So when you look at this, you need to ask yourself, does 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal 5 times the gem? Or does the controller times the gem equal the controller plus the controller plus the controller plus the controller? Or is it Game Boy handheld plus handheld plus handheld plus handheld plus handheld plus handheld plus handheld, the same as 7 times the handheld? Because we're going to pretend that this is a variable like X or Y, so it's 7 times that, not 73. Okay, guys? Make sure you think about it and rethink what you've learned about multiplication and how addition is tied to multiplication.